model, 2019 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2901.6 CDTI, 120, L2H1 non-runner no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 144219. MOT, the 5th of April 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none-runner, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.